razor makes your hair grow back thicker. Is this a myth or a fact? Well, it's a myth. Normally, what happens is your hair is thicker in the middle of the shaft, and as it reaches its ends, the tip, it sort of tapers and becomes thinner. When you're shaving, you're cutting off the hair from the middle of the shaft. So, when the hair starts to grow after shaving, it appears to be thicker initially, but as it grows, it is going to grow just as normal and it is going to taper back as before. If you are on a regimen for facial hair growth, I would recommend definitely continue the same as advised. If not, you can go ahead with shaving without worrying that your hair will grow back thicker. Found these tips helpful? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.